So we are getting some massive news that BlackRock is ready to put in $2 billion in Bitcoin after the Bitcoin ETF approval. Now, we're going to look at in this video how true this news is and what we can expect from Bitcoin after these $2 billion are put in, and when these $2 billion are going to be in trading in Bitcoin. So let's get right into the video and let's get started, and let's head over to our screen. So we are over at our screen and we are on a news article that we can see right here. We can see the titles reads, BlackRock might be on track to create history with $2 billion inflows in spot Bitcoin ETF in a week. So if we look at some news articles that we can see right here, let's click on the first news article and let's read it all the way through. So it says BlackRock positions $2 billion for Illuminate US Bitcoin ETF approval. So let's read some part of this article and let's explain what this means. While things look all but set for the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's (SEC) approval of spot Bitcoin ETF, investment manager firm BlackRock is apparently making moves behind the scenes in preparations for ETF trading. In the recent weeks, BlackRock has been on one of the most aggressive applicants to have met the SEC's requirement, as well holding discussions on the potential approval. So it says BlackRock has $2 billion worth Bitcoin ready for existing holders. According to Matthew Seigel, the head of digital asset research at Van Eck, quoted a source as saying that the firm has $2 billion of capital ready to be routed on its ETF from existing Bitcoin holders who would like to rotate into the spot Bitcoin ETFs in the first week of trading. This could be a temporary resort from the firm to get things started in the initial trading sessions, after which a long-term strategy to acquire Bitcoin based on the demand its iShares spot Bitcoin ETF attracts. This comes amid widespread expectations around the spot Bitcoin ETF approval around January 9 or 10th, 2024, while Bloomberg analysts revealed that the SEC officials are getting all the applicants ready for a Bitcoin ETF launch on January 11, 2024. The US SEC faces a deadline on January 10, 2024, before which it has to deliver a decision on the approval of the ARK21 shares Bitcoin ETF. Paperwork all but done. Earlier, BlackRock's iShares, Valkyrie Bitcoin Fund, Bitwise, Grayscale, Hashdex, Invesco Galaxy, Van Eck, Wisdom Tree, Fidelity, Franklin Templeton, and ARK21 shares have made submissions on the 19B4 amendments for the ETF application. This means the paperwork has reached the final stages before the SEC officially gives the nod to the first ever spot Bitcoin ETF in the United States. So we are all set to release this Bitcoin ETF and to get this approved. So as soon as this gets approved, we have rumors that BlackRock has $2 billion ready to be put into Bitcoin in the first week of this ETF filing. So after we are approved, in the first week, we may see $2 billion rolling into Bitcoin after the Bitcoin ETF approval. So this will take the price to new levels. We will possibly see more new highs, and we will see the price rally like crazy, and we may see tons and tons of growth. So let's look at crypto right now. Let's look at Bitcoin mainly. We are focusing at Bitcoin is currently trading at $43,927, up 0.09% from the past hour, up 0.15% in the past 24 hours, and up 4% in the last 7 days. So let's click on this graph and let's just analyze it real quick. So our daily volume is around $16 billion right now. And if we look at the volume, it is down by 48% from yesterday. So we are seeing a little less of volume, less Bitcoin being traded just today. But we are likely, as we get closer and closer to the ETF approval, we will start seeing more and more growth in Bitcoin. So we can already see it is up by 4% in the past week. As you can see, in the past week, we have been having a little bit of an up rally. We started off pretty decent, and then we had a huge spike up towards 45k, 45.8k, that we reached our yearly high, and we haven't seen this price since 2022, April 2022. So this was a pretty nice price target to hit, and then we came back down. So we are currently focusing on reviving ourselves back up. We are seeing a symmetrical triangle. We have made a video on that, so please do check that out too. And we are likely to see some movement in upcoming times in Bitcoin, as well as the ETF approval getting approved, and we are likely to see more and more money being put into Bitcoin. So that was it for this video, guys. In this video, we talked about the potential $2 billion rolling in by BlackRock, and it is all set in the first week of the Bitcoin ETF approval. So we are likely to see this money roll in by BlackRock, and this will affect the price of Bitcoin. So that was it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the thumbs up button, and also don't forget to drop a comment down below of what type of videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.